This is a brand new 2014 GMC Acadia. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.6-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a technology package, a sunroof, cooled driver and passenger seats, 3-zone automatic climate control, the IntelliLink infotainment system, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, 12-volt power outlets, front side impact airbags, a head-up display, front and rear reading lights, dusk-sensing headlights, a power rear lift tailgate, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Andy Mohr Buick GMC is the place to find new and pre-owned cars and trucks in Indianapolis. You can search our new and used car inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Stop by and visit us at 9295 East 131st Street in Fishers, or see us online at andymohrbpg.com.